There it is, just showing the visibility of the forks throughout the cycle. From what I can see, you can see more because there's less stuff in the way compared to the Komatsu. Like I say, the advantage of the Toolmaster is how it stays parallel throughout the lift like that. And as I was referring to, just the speed of the pipe clamp, that's with it just on idle. And as soon as you rev it up, and that's turned down quite a bit, so a person could turn that up considerably if they wanted to. And then there's a little computer I was talking about. Here's your setup on your dash. There's different settings for different operators. Your extra light switches, that's where your other switch would go for your side lights. There's your bucket descents, your beacon light, rear wiper, heated mirrors. And then the cooling system on this thing that I was referring to. Basically, like I said, you open up this motor, everything's very accessible, very easy.